There is money lying on the ground right now in every city, in every street, in every corner of the world. Not cash, not notes, not coins, but something worth more than cash. And 99% of people walk past it every single day without even noticing it. By the end of this video, you will never look at the world the same way again. So don't skip, watch till the end because I'm going to show you exactly where this hidden money is and how some people are becoming millionaires just by picking it up. This world is strange, and the people living in it are even stranger. Here's why. Most people want a comfortable life, a nice house, a good car, the freedom to buy what they want when they want it. And to get all of that, there is one thing everyone needs: money. So everyone is chasing money, everyone wants it, everyone is trying to find it. But here's the twist. Money is not hiding in a treasure box. It's not buried under the ground. It's not falling from the sky. Money is hiding inside problems. Every single problem you see around you, big or small, is actually money in disguise. It's just wearing a different costume, and only a few people can see through that costume. Where exactly is this hidden money? Let me explain this with a simple example. In America, there's a huge problem with labor. Imagine you need a plumber to fix a leaking pipe, or you need a maid to clean your house, or you need an AC technician because your air conditioner stopped working. Earlier, people had to search everywhere to find these workers. Ask neighbors, look in newspapers, waste hours and days. That searching, that struggle, that frustration, that was the hidden money. Most people just saw it as an annoying problem, but a few smart people saw something else. They saw an opportunity worth billions of dollars. So what did they do? They built an app. An app where you open your phone, tap a button, and a plumber, a maid, or a technician shows up at your door. You pay a small fee for that convenience. That one idea solved a painful problem for millions of people and turned it into a massive business. This is exactly how companies like Uber started. People had a problem finding a taxi quickly. Uber solved it, and now it's worth billions of dollars. This is how Domino's and KFC work too. People were hungry but didn't want to cook or step outside. That hunger, that laziness, that inconvenience was money hiding in plain sight. Food delivery solved it. This is how Amazon became one of the biggest companies on earth. People wanted anything and everything delivered to their doorstep without visiting 10 different shops. Amazon solved that one giant problem. Why only 1% of people see this? Here's the interesting part. Every single person in this world faces problems, but 99% of people just complain about their problems. They say things like, life is hard, or this is so annoying, and then they move on with their day. But there is a small group of people, maybe just 1%, who look at these same problems very differently. Instead of complaining, they ask one simple question: how can I solve this for people, and how can I get paid for solving it? That one question changes everything. That one question is the difference between someone who stays broke their whole life and someone who builds a company worth millions or even billions of dollars. These people are called entrepreneurs or founders. Every big startup you see today, whether it's in healthcare, food, transport, or shopping, started with someone spotting a problem that everyone else ignored. Doctors and nurses being hard to find during an emergency? Someone built an app for that. People wasting time standing in long queues? Someone built a system to fix that. Small shop owners struggling to sell online? Someone built a platform for that. Every field you can imagine, hospitals, taxis, food, shopping, cleaning, education, is full of these hidden problems. And each one of them is hidden money waiting for someone to notice it. How you can start seeing it too. So how do you train your brain to see these hidden opportunities? Step 1. Stop complaining, start observing. Next time something annoys you, don't just complain about it. Ask yourself, is this annoying for other people too? Could this be solved? Step 2. Look at problems around you every single day. Your college, your city, your family, your daily routine. Problems are everywhere. Long traffic, slow internet, boring homework apps. Everything is a clue. Step 3. Think like a problem solver, not a problem complainer. The people who become successful are not smarter than everyone else. They just look at the same problem from a different angle, an angle where they see an opportunity instead of an inconvenience. This is the real secret behind almost every successful business you have ever heard of. So remember this. This world is not short of money. It's short of people who can see where the money is hiding. Money is not lying on the road in the form of cash. It's lying everywhere in the form of problems, waiting for someone to solve it. The question is, will you keep walking past it like everyone else? Or will you be the 1% who stops, looks closer, and picks it up? If this video opened your mind even a little bit, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment below one problem you see around you every day. Because who knows, that one problem you just typed might just be your first $1 million idea. See you in the next video!